the cough syrup was supplied from companies from India, which is a blot on the face of India across the world. But that was the time at least when the government should have woken up and conducted a thorough inspection of all these facilities, which was not done. Today it's happening back home in India. And whom you blame for this? I mean, it's an unfortunate situation, and no other place it would be as bad as this, including sub-Saharan African countries may have a much better standards of manufacturing drug compared to India. And we claim ourselves as the Pharma Center for India. And maybe we have two sets of manufacturing